Hey everyone, today we are comparing QuickBooks versus Gusto in 2026 to find out which is the best payroll service for your business. If you want fast, accurate payroll without the headache, this video is for you. QuickBooks Payroll. First up, QuickBooks Payroll. It's perfect if you are already using QuickBooks for accounting because it integrates seamlessly. Pros: automatic tax fillings, easy employee setup, solid reporting, and direct deposit options. Cons: slightly more expensive than some competitors, and some features can be confusing if you are new to QuickBooks. Gusto Payroll. Next, Gusto. Known for being user-friendly and ideal for small to mid-sized businesses, pros include simple setup, great employee self-service, health benefits management, and intuitive interface. Cons: fewer advanced accounting features and integrations compared to QuickBooks, plus pricing can add up if you have many employees. Pricing and plans. In 2026, QuickBooks starts at around $45 per month plus $5 per employee, while Gusto starts at $50 per month plus 6 per employee. So QuickBooks is better if you need deep accounting integration, and Gusto is ideal for a smooth, straightforward payroll experience. So which is better? If you want full accounting integration and more advanced features, QuickBooks Payroll wins. But if you prioritize simplicity, employee experience, and modern benefits management, Gusto is your go to. At the end of the day, it depends on your business size and what matters most for your payroll process. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more honest business software reviews in 2026. Drop a comment down below. Are you Team QuickBooks or Team Gusto?